we're in the individual author page here, and we're going to generate static parameters for each author so that Next.js can generate a static HTML page for each. For each author, the parameters we need is the slug, which is the author slug as a string. So I'll scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we're going to export an async function called generateStaticParams. So we want to grab all the author slugs, const author slugs equals, and we have our reader here that we used already on the page, so await reader.collections.authors.list. And list gives us an array of strings, which are the slugs for each author, which is perfect. We need this generateStaticParams function to return an array of params objects. And so here we can return. So let's map over these author slugs. And for each author slug, we're going to return an object. Let's do an implicit return slug author slug. And so with that in place, when we build the Next.js site, this generateStaticParams function will run and generate a static HTML page for each slug or each author. So let's try and run the build locally, npm run build. And we should be able to see the breakdown of what pages are generated statically or dynamically. And yep, here you go. You can see that now the authors pages have been generated as pre-rendered static HTML, and we have Jed and Simon. So I will quickly commit this change, and I'll push these changes, which is going to trigger a new build on Vercel. So let's go check it out. Yep, there it is. It's building right now. And so what we're hoping is now, well, we actually know because we tried locally, but we just want to verify that the Jed and Simon author pages are generated statically, which they are. And so we should be able to access these pages now on the deployed front end. Here's the live URL once again. And so I'll visit the first post and then go and try to visit Simon or Jed's page. And hopefully it is available. And yep, it is with the showcase. And let's also verify that Jed's page is working. And sure enough, it is.